Hello my friends, this is my 7th year as an Island Batik ambassador. I'm extremely happy because I like very much their fabric. I received my box and I'm going to show you what is included in my box. Just a moment to make some arrangements. So, first of all, it's my surprise package, which will be used for Mayblock Hop. I haven't opened it yet. I will do that after the video. I can't show you right now. Okay. This is the collection Zen Funk. It's a fall 23 collection that I'm going to use next month. You will see it very soon with the coordinating fabrics. Not all of them are batik. This is normal fabric. Okay, this is going to be used in February. I've got 3 packages from those stash builders. They are very convenient. Many colors. It's a great collection. I love those packages. You see? Each package has 2.8 yards of fabric. This is my neutral, as every time it's 6 yards of a beautiful neutral fabric. I have here a fall 2023 pre-cut. The collection is squiggles, dots and lines, with 2 coordinating fabrics again. I love so much this blue, this dark blue. What do we have here? It's a bundle of, I think they are 12 half-yard fabric. They are basics, blenders, and plain fabric, how they call it, I'm not sure. Solid and solids. Always useful. Look at this color here. And this one is printed. What I have here? Okay. Last fabrics. As always, I have the bundle of the neutrals, black, white and this grey that I like so much. We have here two packages with pre-cuts from the Gradation collection, Gorgeous Green and Bodalicious Black. These are pieces of 10 inches, and those are strips for fabric width. And we have here also, those are my favorite colors, you know. And we have here also Winter 2023 pre-cut, squares of 10 inches. The collection is the Grove. And I recall a very nice Grove Seagrove that we visited 2 years ago in a Greek island. Very accurate the colors. Also 2 coordinating colors to use with. Now the rest of the box. We are done with fabric for the moment. We've got again a ruler from Deb Tucker. My ruler this time is corner beam. I think we have to use it in May. Yeah, May or June, I'm not so sure. You see what will be made with this one. We have an envelope from Smets Needles. German needles of excellent quality. I think they are the best in the market. Here we have a pocket guide that explains everything, you see. Sorry. Also a guide to have a color code chart, as they say, to have next to us in the machine. And let me see, super non-stick, vinyl needles. Super non-stick, they say. I haven't used them yet. I think, I'm not sure. Here we have a piecing and quilting needles. I think it's the first time I see those needles, all of them. Piecing and quilting of different sizes, you see there. Quilting and microtext. And here is a 9 needle costume pack, as it's written here. We have here universal, we have a twin needle, and then we have some needles, stretch and jeans. Useful. In this box we got one box by batting by Hobbs this time, and I know that we are going to receive another box with battings, but for the time being we received this one. Okay, what to say? It's very nice batting, it's a queen size. It's going to be used immediately. And the surprise of this time, look what we've got. An Oliso iron. That was my dream. Every time I was watching videos from the States, I was seeing this iron, and I have to say I was a little bit jealous. I think every quilter knows that this iron, let's say that this is the dream of any quilter, because this very nice yellow iron from Oliso. Oliso is the new sponsor for this year. So the magic is that when you leave it like this, the iron goes up, and then when you touch it, it goes down and you can iron the fabric. So the only thing is I need to, because the electricity in Greece is different than in the States, so I have to buy, I don't know how it is called, to to change the electricity and to start using it. Okay, these were the contents of my box. I am very happy, as I am always with Island Batik. I salute you, and stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with all this fabulous stuff. Bye bye from Greece.